Gang, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Kush D, where I'm trying loads of ways to make money to help your life easier. Because everyone deserves more money and everyone deserves to, if they're in the UK, enjoy the UK. A lot of people don't like it. But I've been travelling the world for 11 years and I did never want to come back. But now that I'm back, because I have no more visas, I want to enjoy it. And I know there's so much stuff to do. You just have to have an adventurous brain and a car so that you can go and do what you want when you want. But you're thinking, how can I do that? Because I've got a job, I've got to ask a boss how to have time off. So that's what I'm trialing. Can I become self-employed? Can I make a business? And can I do it using £0 at the very beginning? I'm 3 months in, and so far I've been reselling a lot. So I've got all of my stuff here, and I've got a spare room just in there with lots of stuff that still needs listing, and things that are listed on eBay, like 100 DVDs, etc. This is where I take my photos, but today I'm actually going to take it outside because the weather's nice. And then I've got my printer and a few odd bits and stuff that I need. So I bet you're thinking, Tom, how did you start with £0? That's not true, blah, blah, blah. It is. And what I did was I came home from travelling. I had so much stuff in the attic that I didn't need anymore. I basically live out of a backpack. Like, honestly, I don't need a lot. I think people nowadays have too much stuff. You don't need all of that stuff. You're just going to die one day. There's no use for it. So I listed a lot of it on eBay. I listed a lot on Vinted. I went in the attic. I completely emptied our attic. There was nothing in there anymore. We went around the house. If there was things we didn't need, I took it to a car boot. I made loads of Facebook posts, asked friends, asked family, and I picked up so many free things. Honestly, I've picked up, I'm going to say now, about 8 whole cars worth, and I mean full cars worth of free things. And I've gone and done, I think, 5 car boots. I've made, maybe £400 roughly from the car boots, all from free stuff. And then what do I do with that? I reinvest it, and I do so much research to find where I should buy stock from. I've been to 20 car boots. I've found a local supplier who's brilliant. You know, all of these people out there that are like, oh, I've got a supplier, I'm not telling you. I'm transparent. I want to win, and I want you to win. I don't understand why the whole reseller community can't just win together. It makes no sense. But it is what it is. Each to their own. Not going to slag them off that much. But my supplier is brilliant, and if you want to know who he is, just send me a message. I'll tell you. It's not always that you can just go and turn up. Sometimes just message him, and he'll be able to maybe send you some in, or he'll tell you about his live stream. Watch his live stream on Whatnot. You can get loads of stuff for cheap, and it's all really good stuff. Or if you live kind of close, if you're in like Northamptonshire, Milton Keynes, like Leicester area, if you want to take the drive and one day he's got some stock in, you can just go and you can handpick it. So yeah, I'm not here to mug anyone off. I'm here to give everyone information so that everyone can just have a better life, really. I don't know why you have to ask someone for your own time off. And yeah, simple. Everyone should just need to be happy and have some money. But today, so what is my plan of action for the day? Well, I'm ready for the gym. So I'm going to go do the gym first. I now have my pass because my girlfriend works at Virgin, and there's 2 Virgins here. So I'm actually going to go to a different one because it's closer, because I've now got my card so I can actually tap to get in. So I'm going to go trial a new gym. It's the second day of the week, so it's my core. So I'm doing abs and legs. Once I've done that, I'll come home. I'll then have my healthy breakfast, same as always. Then I'm going to sit in my office, which is just that. I'm going to I'm going to draft 10 items onto CrossList. Ready for between 5 and 9 p.m. tonight when I actually click post, list them across all platforms. Now, I'm consistent and I want to do 10 every day. And CrossList, if you've been watching the last few episodes, you'll know what it is. If you're looking for a CrossList app and you want any information, want any help, go and watch some of those. I've kind of explained all of it. And if you want to sign up, use my link in my bio. You'll get 15% off your first month. Even if you pay for that first month and you don't like it, at least you've got a little bit of a discount. You can trial it for yourself. But if you have any questions along the way, again, links in my bio. Add me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. Send me a DM. I'm happy to help and get back to every single person that ever messages me. So yeah, we can all win. It's very handy, and now that I've finally cross-listed all of my 300 items, I can finally just start listing new stuff. So yeah, I'm going to make the 10, then I'm going to go outside, photo all of the rest of my stuff, then I am set. I've got everything photoed, everything steamed. I've got about 15 days worth minimum of listings. I don't even really need to find stock unless a good opportunity comes up. And yeah, pretty much that's the day. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym now. So I just finished at the gym, and whilst I was there, I was looking through the free groups that I usually ask people for stuff in, and there's a lady getting rid of a whole bag full of bags, and one of them's Michael Kors. I'm not too sure if that's a good brand, but there's also another lady that's getting rid of 2 chairs. Now hear me out. And there's another person getting rid of a wood pallet. So I messaged all 3 of them. I had to leave the gym slightly early because I can see all 3 of them like within this 30 minutes. Otherwise they're busy. So I'm collecting the bags. I might be able to sell them. If not, they'll go in my car boot pile. The 2 chairs, I'm thinking of cutting them in half. Bear in mind, they're like stools. If I cut them in half, that's 4 legs. And if I get the wooden pallet, I can put the pallet on top. And then I've got a workstation for when I'm building a van. And all of it's free. So I'm on my way. I'm going to get it regardless, even if I end up taking it to the tip or to the car boot. Whatever I do with it, I'll go and collect. It won't take too much of my time, but it might be really good. I don't know. I'll see what I can build from it if I do collect it. So I'm just waiting for a lady to bring me 2 chairs. Oh, I can see her now. The bag of stuff. This I'm gonna just give to Lucy, see if she wants it. Then loads of bags. There's a Michael Kors one. I got no idea. I've actually just turned up and I can see this, so I'm gonna take that as well, and some Lacoste trainers. We will do anything. So yeah, I got these. I don't know if it'll work actually, but I was thinking of cutting it in half and then it'll be 4 bits like for the bottom of a table, but we'll see. I'll take it back anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these bits. Why not? And then I can see if there's anything good in them. This is the idea behind my madness. But I'm thinking if I can cut them in half, maybe even take this bottom bit off, because I don't need that. Take these bottom bits off so it's just this across, and then drill half of that into this. Should work, shouldn't it? I don't know, we'll give it a go. And this was the other stuff that I picked up. I haven't looked through it yet, but she gave me this extra bag because no one wanted to pick it up, so Lucy can look at that. These are the bags, Michael Kors. I don't know if any of them are real. I don't even know if they're worth anything, but I was going that way anyway, so I'll have a little browse. Then these are the Lacoste trainers that were on top of the bin, and then all of these, and you need to put them in the bin. I don't know if what I did was like really bad or not, but I don't really care. But yeah, I don't know what's in it. It might all just be crap. £6, yeah, no idea, but I'll have a look in a minute. If there's anything good, I'll show you. God, I am sweating again. Yeah, all of that stuff, it weren't too bad. I'm not going to make loads on it. I looked at this, they're like a £5. Fuck knows. I didn't look into these, but it's Lacoste. Even if I had a £5, it's fine. And then there was loads of little bits like shorts. Most of it was like kid stuff. There's some really cool sporty like young girls kits that Lucy might want to do a big bundle for, so she can do that. And then whatever's left, she can just have a look through. Whatever we don't list online ourselves, it will just go into the car boot pile. Yeah, I need to eat. I'm absolutely starving. So I'm going to make my breakfast, come up, get my 10 drafts ready for the day so that I don't have to do it later. And then I think I'm going to go get all of my photos done, organise a little bit better in that room because now Lucy's using it as well, and the car boot stuff. We've got this like box container thing for the garden. So I might put all of my car boot stuff in there to have more room in there. It'd be the best idea. I'll have to figure out if all of the little button bits are here because you have to actually screw all of it together. We'll figure it out, but I need to eat. So I set that thing up in the garden. Now I'm just moving what was my car boot pile. The clothes I'll keep in here though in case they go mouldy. You just see it's a mess. Like Lucy's section is here, but because we've just bought some stuff, oh, I'm out of breath, sorry. She hasn't got a place to put it all. I picked up all the DVDs and I still need to do something with that. And we've got a little bit here. So that's gonna go into the little container out in the garden. And then yeah, hopefully this room will be not empty, but I can start, maybe I can just give Lucy a whole section here actually. Oh yeah, for the amount of times I've been through this room, honestly, I really need a break. I know what I need, a tea. There we go, so I've got it mainly full. I'll just leave the clothes upstairs, and all of that stuff was free, which is nice. So we're just going to close this up and then get on to the next job. But it's nice just having it out of the room. Okay, so these two boxes here are all stuff that I need to do something with. That's all listed. That can just stay there. That's what I use. That's for car boot, but just leave it out of the way for now. I've put this here and I've put Lucy's section in the corner. But what I'm going to do now, these two bits here are eBay. So they're basically already listed and done. So I'm going to move them, put them in here somewhere. That means I've then got a lot more room for clothes, because I've got so many clothes here that are going to have to be like brought into here soon at some point. So yeah, this is going to be kind of my eBay room and stuff that I need to list or already listed at the end. And then all of this will be my clothes. All right, we have smashed it. So eBay stuff, I just need to put a couple of labels on it, even though it's quite easy. Then these DVDs I'll start listing after I've done all the clothes and stuff. That'll just be money whenever. But then I've got this bag of stuff I got today that will need photo in. All the stuff in there is photoed. I need to list it. All the stuff in here is all photoed. It all needs to. That needs to be listed. That needs to be taken photos of and listed. Okay. But then into this room, those 3 boxes that you see at the end, I've taken photos of already. They need to be listed, and then they'll go put in here. And then I've got more room to put across for more boxes. And then all of these bits are for like packaging. Forget about all that. Mine and Lucy's clothes, but just like fuck all really. It's literally just winter stuff. Literally just hoodies, coats. And then this is Lucy's section. Sorry, I can't stop burping. Lucy's section. And then I fixed these 2 brackets up earlier just to put more of her stuff. And then in here, this is just all of the bits. So these are like hoodies, fleeces, stuff that sells like slower. Then I don't need to really go into it that often. T-shirts, polo shirts, shirts, kids and jumpers is slower. And then more bits on the side. And then eventually soon, I'll get more of these boxes. It'll go all the way across here. And I'll get rid of this one at the end as well. So it should be a bit nicer. We've also got Lucy. Say hello. On a lunch break. And I'm having a tea and a break. And then, don't know, maybe do some listing. I need some more boxes. I've been 5 times now and I haven't had any. I also said I would always keep you updated with what I find that works and what doesn't. And because I've been using Crosslist, right, I brought everything in from eBay to move over. Now, on things like Depop, you can put books, you can put CDs, DVDs, but you cannot put anything electrical. So there's something for you to know. But you can put that stuff onto Vinted, okay? So I started listing over like toys, basically everything. You can put anything on there. The weight that you can choose is small, medium, large, and large is only 2 kg, which is stupid because they allow you to sell tables. Makes no sense. So just choose 2 kilos. Fuck them. If anything goes wrong, you just cancel it, but they shouldn't. I've only had one sale today, and it was this little doggy, right? I sold it for £2 and on Vinted. It's been on eBay for 3 months. It was one of the first things I listed. Reason being, I did actually look on Google. That's eBay sold. It's Kennel Club. It's got a tag. It's brand new. And it should have gone for like maybe 9-10 quid on eBay. Because I've had it for so long, I thought, oh, fuck it, it's there. Cross-list it over. Let's see if we can sell it. I put it on for £3.50 because I had been dropping the price on eBay because I just wanted it gone. There's a few things I don't want to hold on to for the money. Do you know what I mean? And something like that, I now can get rid of this size of something. It's still £2 at the end of the day. It's the only sale I've had today, which is fine. Yesterday and the day before was actually really good for sales, so I don't mind. End of the month has been creeping up. Like, it's been a lot better than the start was, that's for sure. And I haven't looked into it fully, but my first month I made £1,300 in sales. I think I made the same in the second month. It was £500 profit, then it was £800 profit. This month I've made about £1,000 in sales. But I don't know what my profit and stuff's going to be. It might be roughly the same, but for a pretty slow month, whatever it is, I'll be quite happy. Just hoping to go into August and absolutely smash it. Will that fit in there? No, I need a bigger bag. So yeah, I'm just going to package this up. I wasn't actually expecting to get all of that stuff done today, and I have worn myself out, and it's probably because of the heat. It's so hot. I am now just going to rest, honestly, for a bit. All I need to do is list my items on cross list. I didn't do it earlier. I got distracted and had to go and do other things because of my brain. But now I'll get them ready. I won't post them until about 5 or 6. And then, yeah, that's my main stuff done. I've messaged, I used to work down at my local shop. It's just changed company now, but some of the people I used to work with are still there. So I've messaged them and told them if they get any more of these boxes, put them to the side. I need about 12 more because I've been in the last 6 times and they haven't had any, which has been a nightmare. So I'll get some more of those. I'll start making this all more organised and better. I'll start doing the cross listing. I was going to go and take my photos, but I'm knackered and it's too hot anyway. So that's another job I've got to do. And yeah, I think that's where we're up to. So I've got a tea. I'm just going to relax for a bit. I'll probably come back and talk to you later, but that is where we're up to today, gang. It's annoying. Just sat down to relax and I got a message, Tom, there's 2 boxes. So I'm just going to quickly go down to the shop and get those 2 boxes whilst they're available, because I realistically need about 12 more to be happy with everything that I put in, like, over there. So I got my socks on, get my trainers, like a ghost, get my trainers, go get the boxes, and then yeah, relax. Okay, so I've listed my items for the day and it's fucking long, honestly. I'd say it takes maybe 30 minutes less. Well, I kept checking things. 30 minutes less than if I was doing it on eBay and then onto Vinted, which was long. So I am saving time, but this way it goes to 4 platforms, so I can't really complain. So that's all done. I got the 2 more boxes, so once I start listing these, like the ones that are down in these boxes there, they'll be put into these, they'll start filling up, then I'll get the other one from the other room, they'll all be photoed, and then when they're done, it'll go on here and it'll go all the way across the wall, basically. So yeah, I'm just going to pop these ones away. I've listed the cool Paul Smith brogues that I got, and they price quite well, so hopefully I get some decent money for it, but we will see. I'm just going to go have my dinner, and then I think that'll be it for today, honestly. If I do anything else, I will come back to you, but if not, I'll leave this one here and I'll see you tomorrow. What have I got planned for tomorrow? It should be my day off the gym, but I actually took Monday off, so I do have to go to the gym. What else do I need to do? I might go outside and do the photos. I don't necessarily need to yet, but it's something I can get done. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes, gang. But thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. I've got, I think, 925 followers now, so I need 75 more. So please subscribe. Send me a comment if you need any help with anything. And I'll see you tomorrow.